LG Electronics is rolling out a new picture mode called Creator Original for select TV models. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The Creator Original setting offers studios more granular control than Filmmaker Mode for streaming content. Neutral picture modes like Filmmaker essentially exist as an answer to modern TV's heavy post-processing, disabling accoutrements like motion smoothing for a more traditional presentation. Creator Original instead embraces these additional features, letting film and TV studios set parameters such as shadow detail, color balance, noise reduction, and motion handling to best present their creative vision. For now, this picture option is exclusive to the 2026 LG OLED evo W6, G6, and C6 series. LG rolled out price info for most of this year's models in March, and most of the G6 and C6 options fall in the $2K to $5K range. Those TVs do come with some swanky bells and whistles, such as support for Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 12-bit image processing, and enhanced dynamic range control. But those features may not justify the price points for many viewers. The launch is being conducted in partnership with Prime Video and centers on the service's upcoming Masters of the Universe movie. Any serious stands of Skeletor and crew can also use a special voice command with the LG Magic Remote on LG Smart TVs running at least WebOS 23. Proclaiming, "I have the power" with the remote will automatically bring up content for the new release, which is either hilarious or cringe, or maybe both at once. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.